Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields Flower Farm, and today I want to show you how I install a peony cage to help my flopping peonies that are flopping over in my garden. So if we haven't met yet, it's nice to meet you. My name is Kelly Lehman. I'm the owner of Cranberry Fields Flower Farm here in Cranberry, New Jersey, and I love giving you guys fun, free flower tips. So please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so you know whenever I post another fun, free flower tip video. So let's dive right in. So guys, I've already made you a video showing you 6 ways to support your flopping peonies, but I wanted to show you exactly how I installed this peony cage around this mature peony plant. Now your best bet is to put these cages in place when the plants are tiny, but a lot of times I don't get a chance to do that, and I have to come in here and give some of these mature peony plants some extra help. So these are gorgeous flowers. They have super, super, super heavy heads, but they're one of the big stars here at the flower farm and in my garden. And they make for beautiful, beautiful arrangements. And they're just one of the all-time favorite flowers that I grow here at Cranberry Fields Flower Farm. So I'm gonna wind up taking some of the poles that I have that came with this support system, and I'm gonna place it around the peony plant. It's easiest to do this when the ground is nice and wet, so it's a good idea to do this after a rainstorm, so it's a little bit easier to put it into the ground. I'll put one here, here, and here. And then I've got 2 tubes. And I'm going to link these. Eventually the idea is that these are going to link together around the plant, and I'll show you what this looks like here. So the idea is to put a hoop that will support these heavy heads, but we have to get this hoop linked through our little support cages first. So I'm going to go around the plant right now. I'm lifting up some of those heads as I'm doing it, and I'm going to put this one through this hole. I'm going to hold on to it while I link the other one. This one I'm supporting the rest of the plant, going around it. I'm coming through this hole. Did I miss this guy over here? I did. I missed this one over here. So let me get this one here. I have all of my heavy peony heads in place now, and now I'm going to lock it together. Just like that. Now I'm going to put some of these down to the ground a little bit deeper because they're kind of popping up a little too high. And these are adjustable. So if you want to make your peony ring holder a little bit lower, you can do that. And if you have super, super heavy ones, this one actually came with a second ring that you can actually wrap around the base of the plant. And that's basically, we're just going to do the same thing. This is why it's easiest to do it when the plant is young, because you don't have all the leaves to deal with. This one's going to go through this hole here, and they're going to link together. Okay. Now I've got a double support system in place, and I'm just going to kind of straighten everything out a little bit. I'm going to move this one down. I'm going to move this one down. And now you've got some great support for these peony plants. And another quick tip, just a quick power tip, if you want your plants to look better even longer, I'm going to grab my clippers. And as some of these peony blooms get spent, they get kind of beat up, they're worn out, you can come into the plant and you can kind of cut away the ones that are getting mature faster. So this one's had it. So you're going to clip it off. If you give them a quick deadheading, you're going to wind up helping the plant not have to do the extra work of having this plant go to seed. If you leave all these heavy flower blooms in place, the plant will eventually start creating seeds. But if it doesn't have to do all that work, it's going to put more of its energy into healthy leaf development and healthy root systems, and you're going to save it that extra work that it doesn't have to do. And so what else can I cut out here? This one's kind of beat up. This is also going to take some of the heaviness off of the plant. So I'm going to take off any ones that are kind of beat up, they've had it, and that's also going to give the plant a little bit of a lift. This one's kind of had it too, so I'm going to get rid of this. And you can tell, look how much nicer this plant looks now that it's standing upright. It doesn't have that heavy brown flower head look, and it looks so much more beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and please feel free to say hi to us over on my Cranberry Fields Instagram page and over on my Kelly Lehman's Flower Tribe Facebook group, because there's thousands of gardeners from all over the world and they're asking and answering tons of garden questions over there. And please also check out my brand new gardening podcast, and please let me know where you're viewing this from in this great big beautiful world. I love to see how our flower tribe is growing around the globe each week, and I will see you in the next video.